Hello, I'm deciding to do my 2-minute teaching session on glycolysis. Glycol meaning sugar and lysis meaning the breakdown. So the breakdown of sugar to convert it into energy that we will use in our body. This can be separated into two phases. The first phase being when we're investing energy to ATP to be specific, and the second phase when we are gaining ATP and pyruvate. In the first phase, oxidative phosphorylation is used to take the 6-carbon chain of glucose and add on 2 phosphate groups to both ends of that glucose chain to then be cleaved into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. From there, that 3-carbon compound will be used in phase 2. In phase 2, we gain NADH to NADH, as well as pyruvate and ATP. It's important to remember in phase 2 that everything that happens in that phase will give you twice as much. That's why we're gaining technically 4 ATP and 2 pyruvate and 2 NADH. But the ATP, because we already used 2 or had to use 2 ATPs in our first phase, we're really only gaining a network of 2 total during the glycolysis process. The second phase of the process is going to take the glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate and subtract or take out a phosphate group, which will form 1 ATP and 1 pyruvate. The pyruvate then will be used in the mitochondria for the Krebs cycle. The NADH that's also gained during this process will be used later, or can be used later, to produce energy in a different system. And the energy, the 2 ATP, can be stored or used in a different system as well.